Alright, y'all. The month of January was pretty choppy for Bitcoin. We opened up at 28K, ran up to 42K, and we closed at about 33K. So now it's a new month. Let's hope we don't just chop around this whole month, because last January was cool. First 2 weeks started fire, and then the last 2 weeks was just dreadful, just watching it do nothing. But let's look at this. Let's take a deep look at this. My target of 51K still hasn't been hit, so still gonna leave that there. First thing to put on the chart, the monthly open. This is very important. If we stay above this monthly open, I'll just put MO. We can assume, not even assume, we can just trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. As you see, the monthly started at 33,106. It's only been 2 days, and we're already up 4K at 37K now, which is not bad. Let's look at the weekly. The monthly open and the weekly open is the same. So the weekly looks good. We have a order block. We can use an order block as a long target. 38 to 21. 38 to 21. I put this long target here. Right, so expect 38 to get hit. Maybe 40,184. 40,181. This is a long target that has to get hit at some point. And then, so let's break it down to the daily. Right, so the daily looks good. Even today's daily candle, we opened up today at 35 and we're at 37, so that's good. However, there's a possibility this could fall. Highly possible. Let's see. A fib of this move up would be at, so if price retraced a little bit, which it definitely can, 30, I'll put it at the 618 fib. I'm just using the golden pocket for the fib, which is at 35,274. So if it does fall, that would be your best entry to go long. 0.6 fib, right? Anything below this fib, it's safe to say it'll short. You can short down to the monthly open. But looking at this, there's also a downtrend here. I'll make it red, so we know. Okay. So anything above 36,661 should be fair game to go up. But if we start to close below this red line, you can look for shorts. Let's look the 4-hour really quick. 4-hour looks good. So order block. I think, did we hit the order block on the 4-hour time frame? Yeah, right there. 37,243 is where some bearish, like TA is not, so like the order block, the entry for the short would be 37,241, but as you see, price came right below it, like right there. Price came to what, 217. So TA is not always spot on, but I think we should get some type of dump in here. Yeah, that's a fact. So looking at it, this is more intraday. This is like what's happening right now. So looking at it, it'll just dip, and where it dips is where you want to buy. So like if you look at how price moves, right? It moves up, dip, entry. See, that would be a long entry. A move up, it dips, entry. It moves up, you get a move up, dip again, entry. So the dips are the entries. You're buying the dips. Buy the dips to jump on the train. Right? So right now we're just gonna let this dip. This should probably dip to 36661, probably, more than likely. I say there. Or if not, the top of this high right here, 36,896, is holding for as long as this hold, it should go up, and it'll probably even take out 38,221, 38,221. If we close above 37, expect the pump to this next long target. But looking at it, I mean, it looks good to go up. It looks super good to go up. But usually, the price gets pretty high, I somewhat expect some type of sell off before price goes higher. So like I wouldn't even be surprised if wait, where did I get 3661 from? Um okay, let me delete it real quick. Okay. Um yeah, so looking at it, we definitely could the golden pocket, if it falls, we definitely can fall to I put the 618 on here. The 618 puts us at 36,600 flat. So this is a possible short re-entry, long re-entry. I mean, I'll put it here. If it falls, but if not, the target is 38,221. And then once we get here, expect some type of pullback. Expect a pullback once we reach 38.2 back